Namaste everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of RNSIT Institute of Technology, an autonomous institution affiliated to VTU, celebrating its Silver Jubilee year this year in 2026. This video is to those COMEDK aspirants who are very ambitious and anxious to make their choices of colleges and courses, and we are going to brief about the COMEDK counseling process in this video. This content is taken from the COMEDK website www.comedk.org, and we have referred to COMEDK counseling process document to create this video. So we are going to explain the major steps that a COMEDK aspirant should look at while making his choice for his future. Here we go. Let's begin the presentation of this COMEDK counseling process. We are going to cover for engineering students for this academic year 26 and 27. The agenda for this presentation will be the introduction and announcements and eligibility criteria, counseling schedule and warnings, online counseling process overview, and step-by-step guide for document filling, registration, and then seat allotment and post-allotment decisions, fee refund and cancellation policy, general rules, malpractices, and if you have any grievances, where should you address that too. Now, we understand you are in a stage now where you might have already uploaded your document and maybe your documents are also verified, but however, we will start from the basics that, as all of you know, COMEDK is nothing but a consortium of medical, engineering and dental colleges of Karnataka. It's an autonomous merit determination authority and it is mandated by COMEDK, and it covers 150 plus engineering colleges across Karnataka for this academic year 26 and 27. And its main aim is to ensure fair and transparent merit-based admission through single-window counseling. It was a very, very interesting one. So now the key dates and announcements. 9th May was the COMEDK UGT online entrance test was held, and 29th they announced the results and rank cards are available. And 30th May 2026 the counseling process document was released, which is of version 1. And 29th the counseling notification was published. Let's understand some terminologies here. We are going to use general merit and KKR. So general merit is GM and KKR is Kalyana Karnataka region. And Kalyana Karnataka region quota reservation is something like this. 70% of the seats are reserved for local persons in institutions inside the KKR area, and 8% of the seats are reserved for local persons in institutions outside the KKR area. So what are this KKR area? The KKR districts are Kalburgi or Gulbarga, Yadgir, Bidar, Koppal, Raichur, Bellary and Vijayanagara. This is for your information. So what are the eligibility criteria? The eligibility criteria to participate in this COMEDK counseling is you definitely must have a COMEDK UGET 2026 rank card, no matter how much rank you have scored, and you should have passed 12th, second PUC or any equivalent education with English as one of the language, that is must and should. And compulsory subjects are physics and mathematics, and one of the subjects amongst chemistry, biotechnology, biology, economics, electronics, computer science. And minimum aggregate is 45% in PCM and minimum 40% for SC, ST and OBC Karnataka candidates. Architecture we are not going to cover, we are more focused on engineering, but however the display is there to those audiences who are interested to look for the eligibility criteria for architecture. And now the next question comes, what about the supplementary candidates? So the registration is window is common for supplementary and regular candidates. No separate registration window will be opened, and they can upload their past supplementary exam marks before the start of round 3 for their to prove their eligibility. Okay, let's understand the counseling schedule and some of the important warnings. The counseling consists of 4 rounds. So round 1, it is for general merit and KKR seats. Round 2 is for KKR seats only. Round 3 is for general merit seats only. Round 4 is for general merit seats only. Some of the important warnings: COMEDK do not have any agents, liaison officers or any representatives. www.comedk.org is the only official website. So you should be aware of the third parties, and you must always check the website frequently for any updates regularly. And candidates and guardians are responsible for any consequences arising from not reading the process document carefully. At the in the document, this document will be shared. The link to this document will be shared in the video. at the end. You can definitely refer to that. It will be available even in the description box. And what will be the counseling process and overview? Initially, you will have to register and pay the 2,000 rupees you have to pay, which is non-refundable, which I am very sure you might have already completed this. While you watch this video, this process should have been already over. And you have to upload the documents, and there will be online verification, there will be mock choice fill round. This is just for practice round, practice preferences. You will have mock allotment. It is just an indicative result. You can get the feel of how the counseling is going to take place by going through this mock allotment. Then you can modify your preferences for the round 1 and you can lock it, and round 1 allotment will be done, and you can check the result, and you have to make decisions. So in the make decision, you have 4 choices. One is A and F, that stands for accept and freeze. Then you have A and U, stands for accept and upgrade. R and U stands for reject and upgrade. R and W stands for reject and withdraw. So please remember, you can make one of these 4 decisions at the end of each of the rounds. So again, round 2 is for KKR candidates only, and round 3 and 4 will be only for general merit seats. And then once at the end of the process, if you have already accepted and freezed a specific college, you can go to the college which you are allotted to, and you can complete the admission process. Now let's understand the counseling round stage by stage. In round 1, which is for general merit and Kalyana Karnataka region students, the eligibility is you must have to have a COMEDK rank, and your document status must be approved. So what will be the process? The process is choice filling. You will have to fill your choices. We will, in the next slides, we will be explaining you that, and we will be going through this mock allotment, and you will have to check the saved preferences by checking the print preview option on the screen. And once it is done, you can save the document for the future references. And once the mock allotment is done, you will check the mock allotment result, and after that you can make your changes based on your choice. That's called choice filling period, and for this round 1. And once the choice filling is completed, and you can wait for the round 1 result. Once the round 1 result is announced, you can make the decisions, one of the 4 decisions: A and F, A and U, R and U, and R and W, which I have already explained in the previous slide. One thing to remember, that the supplementary candidates are not eligible for round 1, they come to round 3 directly. Now talking about round 2, which is eligible for KKR seats only, and the KKR approved candidates who choose A and U, that is accept and upgrade and reject and upgrade in round 1, or if they are not allotted any seats in the round 1, are eligible for this round 2. The process is simple. You will do the modification of choice filling, and once you are allotted the Kalyan Karnataka region seat allotment, you go with the decision, one of the 4 decisions you make. So you are ready for the round 3, or if you have really opted for accept and freeze, then you will go and finalize your decision and go and report to the college. And please remember, this round 2 is for KKR seats only. Then comes the round 3. This is for general merit seats. So you are general merit and you have done accept and upgrade and reject and upgrade from round 1 and 2, and in case if you are not allotted any seat in the previous 1 and 2 rounds, and now the supplementary students come here, if you are supplementary passed students in 2026, then you are eligible for this. The process is simple. You again modify your choices, and you get the GM allotment here, and your decisions, you will take one of the 4 decisions. And please remember, all KKR vacant seats in the previous rounds will be converted to general merit seats in this case. So now the round 4 is the final round, which is only for general merit seats, and eligibility is in case if you are accept, upgrade or reject upgrade candidates from round 3, and in case if no seats were allocated in the previous rounds, then you become eligible for this, and again you modify choices and from the general merit allotment. And one thing you have to remember, if you really want a seat, then you have only one option called accept and freeze only. You cannot make any other choices. And in case if you don't select any seats in all the 4 rounds, then you will not be able to get any seat. and no seat cancellation in round 4. Candidate must join the allotted college. You cannot take back any seats. So talking about registration, payment and document upload. So these are the steps. You log in with the application number and password and click on Counselling Registration. I'm sure most of you have already done this. You verify the details and then pay 2,000 rupees, which is non-refundable, and you can pay it on online portal. And extra convenience fee may apply, and you should go for confirm as, that says that successful payment status, and you can also re-log in to check the registration status and then click the document upload tab. And remember, these new tabs are visible provided if you have successfully completed the previous processes. And you'll have to upload all the documents. Please make sure to upload in JPEG, JPG or PDF only, clear scans. That's why the COMEDK restricts the documents which are taken through phone photos, and there is some limitation also for the document. It is less than 1 MB, and for the marks card they have given it the storage size as less than or equal to 4 MB. And you please recheck each uploaded document for clarity, then you submit, because once you submit, no changes are entertained. So you are supposed to keep checking your email and also the communication tab in login for verification status updates. And in case if you have any concern, you must be having a registered email ID of yours. From that email ID, send an email to studenthelpdesk@comedk.org for any clarifications or grievances. Now, document required for engineering, I'm very sure you have already uploaded this and must be your document updated approved status. However, let's quickly go through this. Your original ID proof, PAN, passport, voter ID, any driving license, government ID, date of birth certificate, only SSLC marks card, please make sure, PUC or 12th standard equivalent, admit card, hall ticket of 12th, second PU exam, COMEDK admit card, SC/ST OBC certificate, the Karnataka domicile only, Karnataka domicile certificate, and any other document which is applicable, please upload that. For Karnataka region, KKR seat, you have to, in addition to all those documents, you have to upload Karnataka region certificate, which is from the assistant commissioner. You just have to upload all these documents. And for architecture, anyway, the content is available on the slide. We are focusing more on engineering. Now, once the document is uploaded, I think you must be in one of these states now. I hope that all of you are in the state called document approved. However, let us know. The document submitted status says that the documents are received by COMEDK and pending for verification, and which can be also an under review stage, resubmit stage in case if COMEDK requests to re-upload some documents within 12 hours or if the candidature is not considered. And document you, after any resubmission request is made by the COMEDK, you do the corrections, then you re-upload, and you wait for the COMEDK verification. And once all the documents are verified, you pass through the stage called document verification. The documents are approved, and you become the candidate eligible for choice filling and next step. I wish all of you are in this stage, and in case, unfortunately, if documents are incorrect or not in order, not clicked properly, then document will be rejected. And then supplementary resubmit. It is for the supplementary candidates. They can upload the past marks card to update the status, and supplementary approved will be done only in the stage 3, because they are eligible to participate. They become eligible to participate in the COMEDK counseling from round 3. So documents that are illegal, mismatched or suspected of falsification will be rejected, and they also say criminal proceedings may follow in case of such impersonation. Now, the most important thing is the college, the choice filling or locking, right? So the COMEDK clearly says that it is a responsibility of the aspirants or the candidates to research about the college, courses, the campus, facilities, hostels, or any other thing before filling the choices. The COMEDK doesn't give you any suggestions. It is not responsible as well. And you please fill and save the preferences within the prescribed schedule every time. You can add, modify, or reorder choices any number of times before the deadline, because once the deadline is met, you cannot make any changes. So take the printouts or download the final saved choices for references in the later. and option available in later round depend on the decision that is taken in the previous round. We have already mentioned that only 4 decisions can be taken: accept and freeze, accept and upgrade, reject and upgrade, reject and withdraw. One of these decisions can be taken by the candidates. So blank choice filling from in round 1 is treated as reject and withdraw, making the candidate ineligible for further counseling round. So you have to make some choices in the round 1 if you want to pass through the further rounds. Now, what are the key rules? As I already told you, you just log in, choice filling tab will be enabled if your document is verified. So now there are 2 ways of choosing the courses or colleges. In case if you select on college, if you are specific about a college and you want to see what are the courses available in that college, you can do that choice. Or if you are specific about particular course, let's say if you want to get into mechanical engineering, then you can search for the colleges which offer this mechanical engineering, and you can make choices there also. I repeat, you can search for a college and available courses in that college, or you can search for a course and you can search for all the available colleges which offer that particular course. Once you finalize on one particular course or college, you can add. There will be an add button. You can add it to include to your bucket list, and you can verify all the selections made, because you can add multiple such colleges or courses, and you can save at the end, because adding is important, saving is the most important, because only saved preferences will be counted here. So you can repeat this process each time you add a college, save it, add college, save it, add course, save it, put it in loop, complete it, and once everything is done, the final set is done, take a printout of it, and that can be used for your further reference. One important thing is, in case, because this goes on first preference, second preference, right? So if you really want to make some changes in the preference, in the order, you can reorder it by clicking on the upper arrow and lower arrow buttons. So priority 1 is highest preference. Keep that in mind. You can always reorder before actually saving it and submitting it. Now, once you are done that, you are eligible for what is called as mock allotment. So the mock allotment is nothing but it's a trial or indicative allotment, which is based on your choices or preferences or actual seat data, and it helps you to see which college courses you are likely to get. It doesn't guarantee you anything, because the result of the mock allotment is not the final result. Once you are through the mock allotment, you can see the mock results, you can check your college, course and everything, and if you are happy, fine. Otherwise, you can make changes and go to the choice filling tab and make the changes, and order of preferences you can change. As I told you, add, remove, reorder. You can also remove a particular choice by clicking on the remove button and then click save, because once you save it, it is considered now. So you can also take the printout of saved options of your records. Now, the most important thing is once you do it, how does the seat allotment take place? Very important thing. So in round 1, what happens is, it is only the general merit and KKR candidates are eligible for round 1. For general merit candidates, you are considered only for GM seats, and system checks your preferences in order and allots the highest possible general merit seat based on your rank. For KKR candidates, they get 2 chances. Remember, this is very important. First, the system checks for GM seat. If no GM seat is available, it checks for the KKR seat. Now, let's take an example. So you have preferences, right? 1, 2, 3 preferences. College and course preferences are ABC, college name, CS is the course name, PQR is the college name, CS is the course name, XYZ is the college name, and ISC is the course name. Let's imagine you take the preference 1 as an example. Now, the first check will be for the general merit. If you get the general merit seat in ABC college for CSC course, fine, done. In case, if you are a general merit candidate, you are done. Right? If it is not, it will go to the second preference. If you are a KKR candidate, it checks in the college ABC for course CSC for general merit. And if you get the general merit seat, done. If general merit seat for ABC CSC is not available, it checks for the KKR seat. Under KKR quota is ABC college and CSC branch available. If yes, fine. If not, it goes to the second preference and this loop continues. Okay. So now, round 2 is actually for KKR seats only. So now, who is eligible? those KKR students with reject and upgrade in round 1, they are eligible to be allotted KKR seats in the round 2 based on the rank and preferences. If they choose reject and upgrade again in round 2, they become eligible for round 3, but round 3 is for general merit seats only. What are the priority allotment priority rule in round 2? The case 1 is you are holding a KKR seat. Okay, in round 1 you are allotted a KKR seat and you have opted for accept and upgrade decision. Then in round 2, in case if you don't get any upgrade as you desired, you can only accept and freeze. You cannot participate in round 3. Please repeat this and listen to this particular content again and again till you get the clarity. The case 2 is you are holding a general merit seat, and in round 1 you are allotted a general merit seat and you have gone for accept and upgrade decision, and let's hopefully you get the seat in the upgraded version, that is upgraded to another seat in round 2. Then you can only accept and freeze. You cannot participate in round 3. The case 3 is you are holding a general merit seat. In round 1 you are allotted the general merit seat and you have gone for accept and upgrade. Round 2, unfortunately, if no upgrade is received, you still become eligible to continue to round 3, or if you want to really accept and freeze in round 2, you can do it. Otherwise, you still continue to go to round 3 with accept and upgrade status. Now, round 3, what happens here? The seats available will be for general merit, and it also includes leftover KKR seats converted to GM. In allotment priority rule, what happens is the general merit candidates with accept and upgrade or reject and upgrade status from round 1 become eligible here. So now KKR candidates with reject and upgrade status are also eligible here, but candidates who are not allotted any seat in round 1 or round 2 are also eligible here. Please remember, you can still have the hopes. And now the supplementary students get into the scene. Those approved supplementary candidates, those who have cleared the supplementary exams of 2026, they become eligible from the round 3 as I already mentioned. Now the final and the determining round is round 4. Only general merit students and seats vacant after round 3 are available here. Who are eligible? General merit candidates with accept and upgrade status from round 3 are eligible. General merit candidates with reject and upgrade status from round 3 are also eligible. Candidates who received no allotment in round 3 are also eligible. That means if they are not allotted any seats from round 1 to 3 and still they are hoping, they are eligible. Now the rule is very simple. Seat allotment is based strictly on the rank and seat availability. Candidates with accept and upgrade status can only choose accept and freeze if allotted a seat. And candidate with reject and upgrade status who receive a seat can also only choose accept and freeze. Nothing can be done here. No seat cancellation option. Candidate must join the allotted college. Fees will not be refunded if candidate does not join the college. So round 4 is the final determining round. Now what you can do after post allotment? Let's imagine there are 4 decisions, right? So post allotment decisions. Now what is the meaning of accept and freeze? So you are satisfied with the seat and you are happy with the college, course and everything. You don't want to participate in any round. That means accept and freeze. You just go to the reported allotted college and complete your admission. The total fee of the allotted college you have to pay, and you are not eligible for further rounds. In case if you have opted for accept and upgrade in the round 1, what it means is you are satisfied with the seat but you still want to try for better option in the next round. In that case you are eligible, and there also since you have accepted a specific college already, your option still is open. Your allotted college is still safe with you, and the total fee of the allotted college you will be paying, and you are eligible for the next round. And you are rejecting an upgrade. If you are making this choice in round 1, you are not satisfied with the current allotment and you are rejecting a seat, means you lose that seat and you are participating in the next round for the better option only with the hope that you will be able to upgrade to the seat. And here fees I did not mention because there is slight confusion. I didn't want to mislead anybody. Please refer to the COMEDK website. But one good thing is you are eligible for the next round. In case if you in the first round itself you say reject and withdraw, that means you are not satisfied with the seat and you are exiting the counseling entirely. You don't have to pay any fee. but you remember you are not eligible for any further round. So if no action is taken on round 1 seat, if you don't make any of the decisions, it is automatically treated as reject and withdraw. Please remember, you have to make one of the decisions. If you don't make, it is considered as reject and withdraw, so candidate cannot participate in further rounds, right? Now post allotment decisions, round 2, 3 and 4, what happens here? So now KKR candidates only, the round 2 is for KKR candidates only. Now if the round 1 decision is accept and upgrade, you can do accept and freeze in round 2. If your decision was reject and upgrade, you can actually do one of these 3 choices, accept and freeze, reject and upgrade, and reject and withdraw. And if you are not allotted in round 1, you can do accept and freeze, reject and upgrade, or accept and withdraw in the next rounds, because you are eligible to participate in the round 2. You have all the options available. Now let's see the post allotment decisions for round 3 general merit. So the round 1 or 2 decision is, if it is accept and upgrade, the option in round 3 is accept and freeze. You can freeze your choice, or you can even go for accept and upgrade so that you become eligible for the next round. And reject and upgrade, if you are made in round 1 or 2, then you can either get accept and freeze if you got the seat that you wanted to upgrade in the previous round, and round 3 you might have got that seat and you can accept and freeze. Or if you still look forward, you can do accept and upgrade, or if you really don't want the current allocation, you can reject and upgrade, or you can withdraw from this COMEDK counseling by opting for reject and withdraw in the round 3. If you are not allotted any seat in the round 1 or 2 and now you are in round 3, you are eligible for all 4 decisions. Now talking about the next, if you are in round 4 and it's for general merit, this is a final round, and if your round 3 decision is accept and upgrade, you can do only accept and freeze in the round 4. Remember, no further upgrade is possible. If your decision was reject and upgrade in the round 3, and you might get allocated the seat that you wanted, maybe your seat is upgraded in round 4, you can do only accept and freeze, and you must accept if it is allotted. And if you are not allotted in any seats in round 1, 2, 3, then you have only 2 choices. You get a seat so that you accept and freeze. You don't get it, you want to withdraw from it, and you can say reject and withdraw. If not allotted, there are no other further rounds available. You quit the counseling process. So 4th round is final one. No seat cancellation, no refund if candidate does not join. Failure to join may attract penalty also. That's what the COMEDK says. Now talking about reporting to the college and fee payment and other details. So in case if you are done accept and freeze and you have got the allotment of a specific college and a course, you have to go in person and physically to the allotted college. You have to download the online allotment letter from the COMEDK website, and it is available, and you have to also get the fee receipt from receipt and allotment letter tab. And all original documents will be re-verified at the college. Though the COMEDK has done the document verification in the beginning, the documents will be re-verified at the college before the admission. So college authorities collect original documents and release only after the COMEDK permission letter. And documents needed are COMEDK allotment letter, all originals, transfer certificate, migration certificates, and other certificates as applicable. Now this fee detail is taken from the COMEDK counseling process document. There will be a registration fee which you already paid, 2,000 rupees, which is not refundable. The upper tuition fee limit will be, depending on the college, as opted by the college, it goes from 2,15,000 to 3,02,000 rupees. And other fees, maximum will be 20,000 rupees per year. It's collected by COMEDK. And there will be special skill lab fee, which ranges from 10 to 20,000 at college level, which is BTU approved. Some colleges take 10, some take 15, or some other take 20,000 rupees. And payment mode will be online, credit card, debit card, net banking, etc. And there will be a convenience charges, 0.4 to 1% for cards, rupees 70 to 25 for net banking or service tax. Pay through your own or parents' bank account, because if there is any refund that will be initiated, that will go back to the same account, and convenience fees are never refunded. And one more important thing is the fee must be remitted in single transaction. So check your daily transaction limit in advance before you make the payment. So refund policy is something like this: if you do reject and withdraw in round 1 or 2 or 3, and total fee will be refunded, convenience fee is not refunded. And if you make reject and upgrade candidate and you're not allotted in round 4, your fee will be refunded. Though you did not get a seat, your fee will be refunded. Reject and upgrade candidate clicks exit button in the round 3 cancellation, total fee refunded. Seat cancelled during round 1 or 2 or 3 during the cancellation period only, then your total fee will be refunded. And if you accept and freeze after round 3 cancellation period, since you have accepted, though it is not applicable because no refund scenario, you have accepted your seat and freeze the seat, so you will get the admission done. So during or after round 4 seat allotment, no refund, total fee will be forfeited, and registration fee will be never refunded. Please keep that in mind. Now there are some general rules or malpractices and grievances. General rules: COMEDK's role is merit evaluation. It is single window counseling only. Issues: post seat selections are between the student and the college, right? And no disclosure agreement, non-disclosure agreement. Do not share counseling content via SMS, WhatsApp or Facebook anywhere. You will end up in trouble. COMEDK reserves the right to modify the counseling process at any time. Changes will be notified on the website. And if you try to do any impersonation or engaging in touts, agents, and you will be expelled from the counseling process. Blocking seats in any manner, there will be strict action taken. COMEDK do not have any agents, officers or representatives outside its website. So you can also report fraud to law enforcement authorities immediately. So these are all the details to address the grievances. You have student help desk at comedk.org as the website. Email ID comedk.org is the website. Languages will be English or Kannada only, and the telephone number is also given. Timing is given. You can contact them anytime. So now there will be some rules for supplementary. They are eligible to enter into the COMEDK counseling in the round 3. So they must register in the initial window. They should upload all the documents now and upload past mark sheet also at the before the round 3. And they become eligible from round 3, and they are eligible only for general merit seats. Document status will be supplementary approved. That says that your document is through and you are eligible to participate in round 3 onwards. And these are the key tips for the candidates. Read the entire counseling process document before starting. As I mentioned earlier, in the description box, we will provide you the link. You can download it from there. You can download this document from website www.comedk.org as well. Frequently check the COMEDK website and your communication tab in the login, and do preparatory work about colleges and cutoffs and courses. You do your research before filling the choices. Add all desired preferences during round 1, so don't rely only on written rounds. You can explore all possibilities in the round 1 itself. Pay fee only through your own or parents' bank account. Refund will be easy. Upload clear, correctly scanned documents, not the mobile photos. Take printouts of all the decisions that will help you during the reference, and allotment letters and fee receipts. Keep all the copies safe with you. Never engage agents, touts or third-party consultants for COMEDK activities. Round 4 is final. You must join. No cancellation or no refund. Contact and help. All the COMEDK detailed COMEDK related contact details are provided. You can visit them anytime you want to. And that's all from our end. We understand there are so many other points that have to be covered because of the time restriction. We are stopping it here. And however, www.comedk.org is there for you, and the COMEDK counseling process document is also available. You can go through that carefully, make better research and read it carefully before you make your choices. And however, you can post your comments or any queries in the comment section. We will try our level best to address all of them. On behalf of RNSIT, we wish you the best in your career and in your future endeavors. God bless you all. Thank you very much.